In this video, we demonstrate how to cut and solder your low voltage LED strip light. For this demonstration, you will need your LED strip light, connection wires, wire cutters, a precision knife, an adjustable temperature soldering iron, soldering wire, a heat shrink tube, and a heat gun. The LED strip light must be cut in a straight, fixed point adhering to the strip's trim line. Ensure to cut precisely on the trim line. If not, it will affect the light circuit. The soldering point of the LED strip light is tin with an oxide layer. Gently scrape off the soldered point with your precision knife to remove both the oxide layer and tin. The surface tip of the soldering iron must be polished before you solder to eliminate oxidation in any blackened surface. Solder the wire onto the soldering point. Tin the connection wires with the soldering wire. Fix the LED strip light, then solder the wires onto the LED strip light. The soldering iron should be directly and fully mended to the soldered joint until the solder has completely melted. Do not solder repeatedly. Repeated heating damages electrical products. Strive for good soldering in one attempt. Put on the heat shrink tube to protect the strip light soldering point from environmental exposure. Use the heat gun at its high temperature mark to adhere the heat shrink tubing onto the strip light.